Hello guys, welcome back again and must watch this video completely. It will give you real insights about the ship that what is going next and what could be the opportunities which are available in the market. So weekly time frame, this type of triangular pattern was formed, and if you are old trader or if you are familiar with the chart patterns, then if this type of triangular pattern forms in bearish trend, it usually breaks below. If it forms in the uptrend, it breaks above side. It's just a simple and clear cut rule for this pattern. Now what had happened, if you watch my previous videos before the crash had happened, I told everybody that break of structure was already happened below this lower trend line, which means more downside move is highly expected. And I totally predicted this all move. Of course I predicted up here, but it's totally depends on the fundamentals how much those are strong, and that's why market goes very low. At this point, evening star and bearish engulfing both was valid, and then it just happened, market suddenly goes downside. So if you was my group member, if you are my follower or my student, then you must be in a safe situation. Why? Because I usually give this type of warnings, and I predict earlier that something big is coming, so you can easily stay away from this kind of you can say crash. So that's why joining our group is recommended, because I always take entries with the stop losses. Why? Currently I does not have thousands of dollars, even millions of dollars. I have some portfolios, let me show you, but all those portfolios are based on pure risk management. And here is my one off account in gold. You can see how much achievement has already done. I started from this, and I have made till now this. Still these trades are holding, and I will close when gold will reach up to 5k. Currently it's at 4200. So I started each trade with stop losses. To achieve these trades I hit 10 or 20 stop losses. Then already I booked little profits with each trade, and then I let that trade run. So if you go strongly with risk management, if you do strongly the method, and if your strategy is good, then you can easily do this type of behaviors. Okay, for that purpose, of course, our volume spread analysis course is highly recommended for everyone, because by looking at the volumes, it's a method of whales institutions, and with those volume behaviors you can easily predict whatever any move is valid or not. For example, here you can see volumes are consistently decreasing, which means that more downside move is coming. This move is not valid, and high volume came on this down move. Now let's check on 4 hour, and you will see similar behavior. Currently Bitcoin has little bit goes upside, but more downside move in Bitcoin is still expected. Okay, now for valid upside move, or when we should go long, then proper break of structure like this is necessary. Also volume should be like this, increasing volume, and then if market retraces, then maybe based on some confirmations we will enter. Currently there is not any entry for the buy side. If anybody wanna take risk, then that risk should be taken with stop loss. that risk should be taken with the sell side. Here you can see market goes upside, volume consistently decreases, which means this is still not that much valid. If it has to be valid, volume should do like this. That's the power of volume, and currently it's available with 50% discount. Must take benefit, and that discount will vanish soon. And if you have any question, feel free to ask. Actually, Udemy is very huge platform, and most of the people uh, or most of the students are there, and they usually get a lot of education. They give courses like 10 or $20. So I have multiple courses available, but for volume it's little bit high, like $100. And if we talk about other courses like chart pattern course, ICT concepts course, then market structure course, all other courses are available with like 10 or $12. So you can also join those courses for learning, because without learning, without education, if you do blindly with the gambler's approach, then you will eventually liquidate.